Do you want to raise a confident, independent child? Do you want to be a calm mother? Do you want to balance work and child more efficiently? Do you want to be financially independent while raising a child? Do you want to manage your child in a joint family setup more efficiently? And do you want to teach your child without stressing? If you said yes to any of the above questions, then you're at the right place at the right time. I'm Riddhi Deorah, a certified parenting coach, an entrepreneur, and a social media content creator. I've helped more than 10,000 mothers unlock their true potential and turn into supermoms. So if you're ready to unlock your true potential and turn into a supermom, then click on the button below and join me for this workshop where I'll share with you the exact secrets, strategies, and techniques that helped more than 10,000 mothers turn into supermoms. And there are some awesome bonuses too for a limited time period only. So make sure you click on the button below and join me for the workshop. I'll see you at the workshop.